She crossed an entire ocean. On a jet ski, alone. And it is 100% true. In 2011, a French woman named Stephanie Gicquel set out to do the impossible. Jet ski across the Atlantic Ocean, over 4,000 kilometers. It took her more than 4 months battling storms, machine failures, and isolation. She faced waves 10 meters high, nearly ran out of fuel, and had to fix her engine in the middle of the ocean. No support boat, no rescue team, just her and the sea. Incredibly, she made it, becoming the first woman to ever do it solo. 1 jet ski, 1 woman, 1 ocean. Would you dare take that ride? Drop a wave if this blew your mind.